Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage A, Boris, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. Woodpecker 1, Woodpecker 2, look at me and I will look at you, the boy called as he walked idly through the forest. He had sung this song before and seen a woodpecker. It should work. The problem was that quite far behind him came a different call. His mother crying out, "Boris, Boris!" Boris kept walking through the forest looking for his favorite birds, Woodpecker 1 and Woodpecker 2. Questions. What are Woodpecker 1 and Woodpecker 2? Why did the boy sing the song? Why is Boris's mother crying out for him? Explain what is meant by the phrase, "it should work," in sentence 3. Now let's check the answers. What are Woodpecker 1 and Woodpecker 2? Two good answers here. We could say woodpeckers, or we could say birds. It mentions him looking for his favorite birds in the last sentence. Why did the boy sing the song? We could say the boys had sung the song before and seen a woodpecker. That is mentioned here. Or we could say the boy felt the song would attract the birds. Why is Boris's mother crying out for him? Boris's mother is looking for him. Or we could say Boris is a young child. Or perhaps because Boris is wandering alone in the forest. All good answers, and all, of course, are related. Explain what is meant by the phrase, "it should work," in sentence 3. Well, it refers to Boris's song resulting in him seeing a woodpecker. That if he sang the song, he would see a woodpecker. It, of course, is the singing of the song, and for it to work would be for him to see one of the woodpeckers, or both. Thank you for your time. How did you go?